Hi! Today we are on board of a Cessna 172, so we can view on an actual airplane the flight controls that we just learned about on the previous video. Even though all airplanes have different flight controls and cabins, in general they're all modeled under the same function and principle. Let's start with the yoke. It allows us to control the aircraft on its transverse and longitudinal axis. Remember that these movements are pitch and bank. Once we turn the yoke to the right aileron will rise, reducing lift and causing the wing to go down, whereas the left aileron will lower, increasing lift, causing the wing to go up. If we turn the yoke to the other side, the left, the ailerons will change position. The right aileron will lower, while the left aileron will rise. Now, if we pull the yoke, the elevators will go up, reducing lift and causing the empennage to lower, making the airplane climb. If we push the yoke, the elevator will go down, increasing the lift of the empennage, and the airplane will go nose down. For the vertical axis, we use the pedals. If we step on the right pedal, the rudder will go right, whereas if we stepped on the left pedal, the rudder will go left. It's important to highlight the controls that are linked. In other words, if the captain moves the yoke to the left, the co-pilot's yoke will also move in the same direction. In this way, both of them can have control and have the sense of feeling of the aircraft. The pedals are also linked for directional control. Let's talk about the secondary flight controls. For this airplane, we have flaps. The flaps are on the inner side of the wing, and they are controlled by the pilot from the cabin. Each manufacturer assigns how many flap positions the aircraft has. For this Cessna, we have 4 positions: up, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, and full down. Let's take advantage that we are in the cabin to also speak of the power plant controls of the airplane. Generally, engine controls have 3 levers, which are distinguished by their color. The red lever is known as a mixture, and allows us to control the quantity of fuel that goes in the engine. With this, we can maintain an adequate air-fuel ratio. The blue lever is the propeller's pitch, and with this, we can modify the angle of the propeller with reference to the wind. The black lever, which is the throttle, lets us control the power of the engine by regulating the quantity of air-fuel that goes to the cylinders. Finally, we will talk about the trim. As we saw in the video, it is this tab on the elevator that acts as the elevator would. In the next lesson, we will come back to this airplane to speak about the flight instruments that are on the panel.